this is Billie reporting for Kids News. Today we're at Bunnings to solve the mystery of two famous puppies in town called Bluey and Bingo. Yes, Bluey and Bingo have come from Australia and are visiting Bunnings shops in New Zealand every weekend in August. Now, where are they? Bluey! Bingo! Excuse me, I hear Bluey and Bingo are in the store today and I'm wondering where they might be.
Yes, Bluey and Bingo are visiting today. They're doing face painting and they're building a DIY cubby house.
Thank you very much. At last, the search is over. Now it's time for some fun. Hi, Bingo. Bluey and Bingo are here to do DIY workshops, face painting, adventure games. You can even hang out with them and do dance modes. Explain what you guys are doing. We're coming to see Bluey, and it's like so much fun. My favourite character is Bingo. How did you hear about Bluey and Bingo visiting at Bunnings? My dad told me, and my dad said, did I want to come? And I said absolutely, because I've watched Bluey and Bingo before, and Bluey and me are the same years old. Hi girls, what are you doing? We're painting. Do you want to help? Yes, please. You need an apron. Here you go. Thank you. How did you find out that Bluey and Bingo are going to be at the store? My friend's mum told me because she works at Bunnings. Are you going to get your face painted? Definitely. Tell me about all the things that you've been doing. Having a face paint, but my favourite thing was taking a photo of Bluey. I've heard them come all the way from Australia. What are you up to? Just colouring these Bluey pictures. Oh wow, they're really good. Thank you. You're welcome. Bunnings is a really cool store. Do you come with your dad here often? Yes. What's your favourite thing about Bunnings? I help my dad put stuff in a small trolley. Now it's my turn.
What did you want?
I would like 2 stars here, please. Yellow, please. With all the fun and action happening at Bunnings this month, be sure to pay a visit. This has been Billie reporting for Kids News. Thanks to New Zealand On Air.